Lord Vader, your charger awaits. 1970 Charger in black with the billet Magnum 500s on it. What a pretty body style, man. When this came out in 1968, they had to open another plant and run it 24/7 to be able to put enough chargers out to sell them. This one has the iconic pistol grip shifter on it. Standard deluxe wheel. And the paint is beautiful. I guess this is what you would classify as maybe a resto mod or something like that. I'm not sure exactly what it is, but painted bumpers. Looks very nice. Let's go out and take a look at the particulars on the well, they don't have a particulars sheet in the car, so we're just going to have to kind of guess at what it is. But this will tell us something right here. Oh yeah, N code. It's a 383/70 Charger out of St. Louis, and it was the 92,929th car off the line, or at least for that line. They had a couple lines in St. Louis, so anyway, very nice car. I'm sure it's built up very well because they sure have some money in the paint. There you have it, Mopar fans. This is Gau's Garage coming to you from Ideal Classic Cars. If that's something that rings your bell, give them a call.